गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। टुडेज टॉपिक इज मैथ्स। मैथ्स में हम लोग क्लास 9th का नंबर सिस्टम में रेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर्स पढ़ेंगे। रेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर्स दैट मीन्स per न्यूमेरिकल। एज वी नो डैट इफ एनी नंबर is written in the form of n by d, that means n is numerator and d is denominator. In this topic we will read about rationalization by simple steps. Step 1, 1 upon root 3, then rationalize it. So that is n and that is d. So rationalize, then we have to choose denominator. तो 1 upon root 3, here is the denominator is root 3, then multiply root 3 by n and d, यानी ऊपर भी और नीचे भी हमें बेस से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है, यानी डिनोमिनेटर से. नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, root 3 into 1 root 3 and root 3 into root 3, that will be 3. That is the simple step, that is the answer. Now step 2, if 1 by 3 plus root 2, so denominator is 1 by the question is that is n and that is d. In this question, here is the denominator, so we have to multiply this number by denominator. Denominator is in the form of plus, then we have to take in minus. If that is minus, then we have to take plus. So 3 minus root by 3 minus root 2. Now cross multiply 3 minus root 2 and 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. So 3 minus root 2 upon a plus b and a minus b. As we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So here is a 3 ka square, that is 9, and root 2 ka square, that will be 2. So 3 minus root 2 upon 7. Here is the answer, 3 by 7 and minus root 2 by 7. That will be the answer. Now step 3rd. In step 3rd, if it is written 1 by root 3 plus root 2. Suppose here we have solved one question up from plus, then right now here minus. So that is n and that is d. 1 upon root 3 minus root 2, so multiply by root 3 plus root 2. Here we have told about if the denominator in the negative sign, then we have to choose positive, root 3 plus root 2. Now cross multiply root 3 plus root 2 and the base will be root 3 minus root 2 and root 3 plus root 2. Same here, a plus b and a minus b, so in the root a square, that will be 3 and b square, that will be 2. So root 3 minus root 2 by 1. You may be writing in this form also. Now step 4. The question is 4 upon root 2 plus 5. So here is n and here is d. So 4 by 5 plus root 2, denominator is 5 minus root 2 and 5 minus root 2. Now multiply 4 into 5 minus root 2 by 5 plus root 2 and 5 minus root 2. Here 4 multiplied 5, that will be 20 minus 4 root 2 by a plus b and a minus b, that will be 25 a square and b square, that will be 2. 20 minus 4 root 2 divided by 23. Now in this case 20 by 23 minus 4 root 2 by 23. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो इसका सेकेंड स्टेप आप ये कर सकते हैं कि 20 एंड 4 में कॉमन, दैट इज़ 4, 5 माइनस रूट 2 अपॉन 23. आप इतना पे भी कर सकते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें.